Hello guys, it's me, Ivan Game again. It's been 9 months I never post another video because lots of things happen in my life right now. Like, just wait. I'm gonna lower the sound of the game first. Just wait, I'm gonna lower the sounds of this game. Music. Okay. It's slow sound, right? Okay, slow sound. It's been that thing. Lots of things what happened to me. I went to struggle and lots of things. I don't want to say it, but it's gonna be hard work to edit this video for sure. Like, okay, let's start it. I don't want to talk about it. I played this with my friends, with Lazy, and I forgot the name was. Okay, this girl, I guess. Yeah, this one. This girl. Yeah, I invite her play this game. She invite me to play this game. Let's go to play this game. Let's go. Everything you know is gonna be here. Okay. The working hospital will find out what really happens. I know what happens because I played the game. This is gonna be speed run how to play this game, but I'm not gonna do that. But yeah, let's go restart it. Patient 1. I'm Joy Sataru. I'm here to my appointment. Yeah, just very faster. The work is so hard, you know. And also my computer is sucks right now. I need to upgrade that immediately. Okay. Next! Just wait there. I'm gonna do the thing, but I'm gonna wait another patient first. Go there. I don't care. Let's go there. Okay, she's here. Okay, blah blah blah. Do the thing. I'm not gonna follow that first. Okay. What do you want? Hey, I want appointment. Yeah. Just stamp it. Okay. Okay. Okay, we have 3 hours recording this video right now. Okay. We have to do is DNA. Do the things we have to do faster. You know, it's very stressful to play this game alone because you need to do all this. Nah, I'm gonna do the computer again. Okay, what do you want? Okay, you need a herb. Rate the patient. I know I'm doing. You need a. Okay. You have to go. What do you want? Ano ba gusto mo? Okay. Nabulag si Kokok. No way, yan lang. Okay, yan. Oo, nabulag nga. You need this. May sore eyes. Okay, the doctor is arrived. Doctor. Doctor. You must be a new hire. I'm Dr. Harable. How long? I cannot read that thing. But some advice. If you get some strange, Just keep working. I know. I'm gonna fix your shutters and security cameras for you. Yay! I can now finally do this in my own way. Very interesting. Okay, how many I get? I need cut points. Excellent performance, I guess. 5? Get. Okay, only 5. Employee of the month. I'm gonna check you first. Okay, you're completely fine. Mahirap magpara English, bro. But I can do it. Go. Room 3. Just go in the room 3. I'm gonna wait another patient here. I'm gonna check you first. Check. Okay, you're completely fine. Ah. I cannot read that. Okay. Okay, you're good. You can now go. Room 5. Okay, just go. Just go. I need to wait another patient. Nope. Nope. Just go away. Nope. You are not allowed. Nope. Great, great. Just go away. Just go away. Just go away. I don't care. You jump scare me. I'm not scared. Just go. Oh my god. Just go away. That's lots of action, man. Just go away. Oh my god, you're a monster. Also no eyes. Great. Okay, that's good. Jesus Christ! Lots of monsters. Just go away. What the heck is that? Okay, you're good. Oh, great. Yeah. What's up? I'm Molly Kobashi. I cannot read, but... Need to do what to do. Okay. You're all good. You can go in the room 2 now. I have a lot of patience right now, but I'm gonna do what I must do. Okay, where are you? Nope. Nope. Yeah. We have a lot. 3 patients. God, fast! We have lots of patients. Forgot to never fix that camera. Fix that. For sure, there are a lot of monsters here now. Okay. What do you need? Ano bang kailangan mo? Okay. Pantuli. Huwag mong sabihin na may African dito. Okay, go. What do you need almost? Okay, you recover now. No man's... Okay. Just go. This is the stress job I do. How many times? Good job. Okay. V. You're Canadian. Good job. You need VC. Or 4. Okay, you need this. You need... You cannot go now. Nope. Where's that other guy? For sure did. Okay. You here. Just wait. things is so low. Because I never upgrade my thing. Pantoy. Oh, great. You have Canadian here. 2 Canadians here for now. Nope, we don't need that. This one and this one, right? Please, I'm begging. That is the right thing. Oh, yeah, that's it. Okay, you can go now. Doctor, doctor, help me, doctor. Doctor, doctor. Mwah, mwah. Oh shit, I'm disgusting, bro. I'm not gonna do that. Come on, I'm opening the facility for you. Okay. Give me the goods and supply shop, and we'll open unlimited time in the chef. Oh yeah, yeah, just go. Give me goods. Come on. A gun? I don't need a gun. Okay, to a moment. Okay. Very interesting. I don't need a gun. Can shoot 20 bullets. But the price is 40. This one, I can carry 1 capsule. But I don't care. I'm gonna buy it. Buy it. Okay. First, I'm gonna check you. If you're fine. Yeah, you're good. You have good to go. Let me check your photos if you're good. Okay, you're good. Room 6, go. Just go room 6. I really need some coffee, but yeah, I'm gonna increase my one. I'm here at appointment. Just wait. Okay, you're good. Okay, you're good. Room 5. Just go in room 5. Go away. We don't need your service. Thank you. Checking if you I'm cook. Oh, okay, I'm not cook. Okay. Just wait. I need to fix this camera first. Okay, fix it. You have to go now. I'm gonna wait some another patient. Just go. Okay, we have to check if you are good. You're good. Emergency. Okay, you're good. All good. Have appointment. Yeah. Just okay. Let's see if we are completely fine. Okay, you're fine. You have to go. Okay. One patient want to check. I'm gonna check with you. Okay. You guys good. My name is Roy. If I'm from accounting. Okay. Okay, just I wonder you can keep hiring new people. Yeah, I'm gonna hire you. If you're good. Never mind. Okay, what? Okay, you're good. thing, do not worry. Oh, yeah, okay. Ointment lang? O sige, bibigyan kita ng ointment. Yun man lang pala kailangan mo. Ito, ointment. Tama na yan, ha? I have things to do. Okay. There's another patient here. Okay, don't look up. I know that. I'm not an idiot who want to look up. But first thing to do what you want. Okay, bandage and the thing. And bandage in the thing. Oh yeah, the thing. This thing. You can go now. You forgot to bathe. Okay, ointment. Same thing in for room ano yan? Room 3. Okay, you can go now. Two sugar lashes. Okay. I'm gonna give you that dose. It's easy to get those. Nope. You need to get better. Okay. You need this and the thing. Okay, we have a patient here. Want to X-ray mode. This is very easy. I'm cooked. And go. Lag. Okay, medic. Syrup. Okay, medic and syrup you need. Medic. Syrup. Okay, syrup. Medic and syrup. Okay. You can go now if you want to. Okay, we have in 3. We have in that night 3 or depends a bit or shift. Give me goods. Some people may have seen. I don't know. I don't want to read it, but go ahead, read it if you want to. Make sure use your photos and cameras to stay alert. Yeah. I know that. I will unlock the taser for you slightly. Thank you. We need that those. Give me some money. Good money. Good money. Good money. Yeah. Another capsule. I don't know if we're gonna buy those things. I really need this. God, we have upgrades my thing. Okay. I'm just checking if you're good. Okay, you're good. Okay, you're good, but I'm gonna fix this camera because someone destroyed it. Okay. All good. Okay, you're all good for now on. Multiply check because checking if you're good. I really need some coffee. Okay, we have 62. It's gonna be like, oh man. Okay, what's next? Okay, nope. I'm gonna sure you're not normal. But this guy, who knows? But yep, she's not a normal guy. She also not a normal guy. These guys are not normal. Go away. Two of you are not normal. Go away. Just go away. Just go away. You're not normal, bro. Next. Okay, she is normal. Thank God she is normal. Just wait a second. Okay, I'm gonna check you if you're normal or not. If you're not normal, I'm gonna kill you too. Let's see if you're normal. All good. You can go. Let's see. Yeah, also you're good too. You can now go. Really? This moment. Come on. Don't tell me someone pooped. Yes. Someone pooped my thing. Just wait. We have lots of patients here. Okay. Let's see if you're all good. If you're all good, so you will gonna be fine. Good. You're not good. Just stay there. You're not good. Go away. You're a monster. Go away. Yeah, thank you. Let's see, you're good. Yeah, you're good. Next. Next patient. Oh, the rat. Don't tell me someone poops again. Oh, yeah. Okay. I'm jump scared that. Okay, mousy. I know you're gonna do things without here, but checking your good. Oh, good. You're not good. Okay, mousy is good. She is not good. Just wait, okay? You can go now. This asshole is not good. Okay. Just go away, asshole. You don't need a service like you. Thank you. Next! Okay, you're normal. I have 3 patients now, but I'm gonna wait for it. What now? Mayor Stumpy. Okay, checking your... Oh no, I'm lagging. Okay, checking if you're normal. Okay, you're normal. You can go. 2 patients in check. We need 2. Only 2. My last game. The Coffee Man. How many records I have? Oh, 24. The Coffee Man. You need some coffee? I'm gonna give you coffee, my friend. Yeah. I'm gonna give you coffee. I know you're all things you need to do this coffee. Go. You can go now. I'm gonna check you first. If you're fine. Okay, you're fine. You can go. have lots of things we have to bear. But you can go. Next patient. Who is this? Yeah, she's not normal. I'm gonna kill her because. Just wait a minute. We have monsters here. We know the things we have to do. Okay, gonna check your normal. Yeah, no, you're normal. You can go now. And my final patient is here. Okay, we have to check these little things we have to do. Okay, we have patient. What do you need? Okay. What are you need? Oh yeah, low sugar. Okay. She has low sugar. Okay, we have patient over there too. Okay, we have patient here too. Okay. Next. Not like me. He gonna do much too. Come on. Come on. Okay, rashes are needed. Okay. You need those things. And herbs, right? You need herbs. Yeah, you need herbs. Interesting, you need herbs. Next! We need next patient. Okay, the rat. The rat! I like you anyway. I like you, rat. I like you. Except the coffee man, because very spoiler. I don't want to spoil it. I know that guy. Oh, sugar. Canadian. Nice. Okay, you're Canadian. You can go now. Nope. Nope. You can now go now. You recover. Yes, recover. Another thing. Another patient. Wait, someone wants to. Okay, no one went there. Completely fine. Headaches. Medicine. You need some medicine if you have a headache. Okay. You're completely fine now. The rat is still there. Okay, no one monsters, but I gonna do my monster. The rat is completely off. What is that? Okay, medic. Okay, medic. You can do what you do. Okay. Next. Next patient is gonna be like this. Come on. Come on. Thank God. That is ridiculous. This is the easy part. Oh my God, I pressed wrong button. No, I forgot. Don't press that. Okay. She's complete. Fine. What do you need? Okay, Sarek. What do you need? Medic? Okay, medic. Medic. You can go now. I have things to do. Next patient. The guy wants X-ray. Okay, give you some X-ray. Oh my God, double. What? Thank God. You give me stress, bro. Okay. You need that dose. Okay. We have things to do. Ang hirap mag-English, man. But I try. Wag ka. So. Okay. This is the stress part. Okay, you need this. Kailangan mo yan. Medic. Mabilis dapat, mabilis. Okay, ano yan? Atay. You need this. Atay. Yan, importante ang atay mo. Gunting. Where are you, gunting? Next. Kutsilyo or scalpel. Oh my God, this is the stress part. We have 2 medics. Oh no, wrong button, bro. She's gonna die, right? Okay, she is completely fine now. Thank God. Guys, I gonna end this video. I don't want to continue. It's gonna be long too far. This is it. This is the game. Animals Hospital. Yeah, Animal Hospital. Like, don't forget, like and subscribe. Goodbye.